and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be about global warming. From what it is, what we're doing to cause it and more, this video has it all. The time has come to fix our earth, and if we don't take action soon, there will be nothing to fix. Firstly, what is global warming? Even a 1 degree change can become a problem in the long run, forcing many species into extinction and making life harder and hotter. The term used to describe the average temperature on Earth or the process of our planet heating up is global warming. Due to different things that we're doing, like burning fossil fuels, we increase heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in the Earth's atmosphere. More about those in a minute. What are we doing to cause global warming? We're doing quite a few things, but here are a few main ones. We are unleashing a lot of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere by fossil fuel emissions, as mentioned before. This is one of the biggest things we're doing. Then there's also deforestation. Deforestation is the cleaning of forest land. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, but so many rainforests are being cut down for furniture, paper, roads, dams, and more. The carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere due to less trees, and if this continues, there will be severe consequences. There will be more rainfall, unpredictable weather, sea ice will melt, meaning ocean levels increasing. In fact, soon we won't even have Maldives. Some natural things also can cause climate change, like volcanoes, dust, forest fires, landslides, tsunamis, earthquakes, to name a few. But a lot of these natural disasters are consequences for what we are doing. Some other things that we're doing are industrial waste, oil spills, overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Farmers are using pesticides to make their plants grow faster so that they can sell it to people faster, but it harms our earth. There's also incorrect disposal of waste, burning fossil fuels, bursting crackers, exhaust from automobiles, stink from rotten garbage. Even things like spray paint and glitter are bad for the environment. So what are greenhouse gases? The greenhouse effect is where humans burn lots of fossil fuels like oils and gases from factories, which when burnt release a lot of carbon dioxide. The gases are released into the atmosphere, and during this process, these gases are trapped by the sun's heat in the atmosphere. This is also what happens in a greenhouse, hence its name. Now, is Maldives actually sinking? True or false? Well, here's your answer. The Maldives is being swallowed by the sea. Sea level rise caused by global climate change is a huge threat to the island nation. At the current rate of global warming, almost 80% of the Maldives could become uninhabitable by 2050, according to multiple reports from NASA and the US Geological Survey. We are running out of time, and soon there won't be a way to stop this. But right now there is. So how can we stop global warming? Small changes can make a difference, like switching to energy, saving light bulbs, try to turn off all kinds of electricity when you aren't using them. If you have to go a short distance, instead of going by car, we should try walking or cycling. And if multiple people are going to the same place, like a school for example, they should carpool or travel using public transport. We should try not to waste food. By wasting food, we're wasting the resources and energy that were used to grow, package, and transport food to you. When food rots in the landfill, it unleashes methane, a very powerful greenhouse gas. Any leftover food we should try to compost. Check out composting video and infographic that we have. And of course, we should try our best to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. At some point, anything we buy causes carbon emissions during its production. To protect our earth, we should buy only things we need and shop second hand and try to reuse and repair things, even if we may not prefer it. What is the impact of global warming? How much have we ruined this planet? Well, snow is melting, ice caps are melting, which means there are less homes for animals, and there are also temperature rises, water shortages, increased fire threats, droughts, weed and pest invasions, intense storm damage. To survive, Plants, animals, and birds confronted with climate change have two options: move or adapt. And with the speed of climate change we're experiencing already, it's often not possible for a species to adapt quickly enough to keep up with its changing environment. And with the amount of habitat destruction, moving is becoming increasingly difficult. We're not giving animals much of a chance. Global warming also causes lots of more health difficulties. Heat stroke and many other illnesses, even things like bushfires, storms, floods, cyclones, and coastal erosion, which are causes increased damage to homes. Rising temperatures and acidity within our oceans is contributing to extreme coral bleaching events, like the 2016 event that destroyed more than one third of the Great Barrier Reef. If we want to actually make a change, everyone first has to know of the problem, and that can only happen if we spread awareness. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, click here. Hope you enjoyed.